Hey guys, Double Wide 6, and today I'm working on a lawnmower. The customer said it has no spark, so we're just going to check that out and see if we can determine why it doesn't have spark. This is the unit. It's a Lawn Boy, and I believe it has a Tecumseh engine on it. The customer said he put a new plug in here and it still didn't have spark. Well, looks like a new plug, brand new. I'm going to put a little carb cleaner in there, give it a pull, and we'll see if it'll fire. If it doesn't fire, then we know it doesn't have spark. I could just use a spark tester, but it's hard to see when it's light out. So we'll just give this a pull and see if there's any sign of spark. It appears the customer's right. Okay, what I want to do is get the shroud off of here, and to do that I'm going to pull off this gas tank, and we got to loosen up some bolts, and we should be able to take off the shroud. So we're going to take off these two in the front. And let me take a look at this dipstick. Yeah, one here. And two on the back. Alright, so what we want to do here is unplug this ignition coil, and we want to see if if we can pull it and it fires. Then we know the problem would be with the wiring. So we'll put this back on. And we'll give it a pull. Just going to turn these in by hand. Alright. So we'll try and give this thing a pull, and we'll see if we have spark now. Stupid design, I can't get this thing out of the way. Alright, so no spark. We disconnected the kill wire. So that means our coil is not creating a spark. And the only other thing to check would be the spark plug, but customer said he put in a new spark plug and it looks brand new. So we got a bad coil here. So I'm going to pull this out and see if I have one that we can use. That's it. I don't see any mouse chew marks or anything like that. I'm going to see if I have a used coil. Okay guys, got lucky here. I guess once in a while, if you keep enough crap, it'll come in handy. At least that was always my dad's philosophy. Alright, so I'm using a business card right there, and that'll give me the right gap from the magnet on the flywheel. So I'm going to start this by hand. And we're going to crank this around, just make sure it's on there right. There's some binding because the band brake's locked. So that's good. Put this on here. Put this back. And we'll see if we have spark. These ratchets come in nice. So I'm pretty confident that this is going to work. That's why I screwed it all down there. Let's make sure I don't have any tools hanging. Alright, so apparently, why didn't you guys tell me I didn't hook up the kill wire? That's what happens when you do these videos. I'm too worried about my looks. And I forget to do the stuff I need to do. Oh, we got spark. Yep, that wasn't hooked up. That kill wire grounds out the ignition and stops the spark. So, a lot of times it'll, you might have an engine that seems like it's not getting spark, but actually there's a problem with the wire, like it's cut and it's grounding itself out and killing the engine. So when you unhook that kill wire, that allows the engine to have spark, but then there's no way to turn it off, as you just saw there. So I ended up pulling the plug. Alright, so I'm going to put this back together and then we'll give it a start. Alright guys, got it back together. Let's give it a go. Well, there you have it. That's one of the first times I had a customer that actually knew what was wrong with their mower, so I got to give it to Brad. I'm very proud of him being able to figure this out. He said it had no spark. And then he was texting me, asking me what he needs to check, this and that. I got like so many things going on. I didn't get back to him, and then he just dropped the thing off. But, you know, until I go through and explain everything, it ends up taking 10-15 minutes to take the call. But there you have it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Let me know down in the comments. Catch you with the next one. See ya.